Well, good day everyone, it's Grizz. I'm out on the bike. I'm worried about cameras falling off. I've got the Insta360 on the back, yes. Grizz got rid of the GoPro Max. It was just rubbish, guys. I just kept losing footage left, right and centre. I really hope that Insta360 is going to take care of things for me. Thought I'll put it on the back there, give a different angle, try some different stuff out. So we're out on Taffy's bike. I'm using Taffy's bike today because I didn't fancy loading the Hayabusa in the back of the van. And I'm off on Monday, so I've had to drop off my works van. That is the downside to the Hayabusa. I love it, but it's a hell of a lump, and yeah, a bit big and heavy for like just quickly popping in and out of the van and dropping the works van back to work. Yeah, I've got a day off. I've got to go off to flipping hospital and have some more tests. Only a day though. I think everything's going to be fine. I'm fine. It's all going to be bloody fine. So yes, well, today's subject is a bit of a sour one for me, but it's one I think I have to admit that I don't know, Grizz just isn't up to it anymore. I'm gonna ditch the Scrambler build. I'm sorry guys, I know a lot of you have been waiting for me to see me complete it. I'm sure a lot of you have got very bored at the mere mention of the Scrambler build because Grizz has never done it, and well, I started to do it, I kind of got halfway through and my health is literally just overtaken the situation. I've just not been well enough to be able to go do a day's work and come home and go out in the garage and get on with the build, you know. And I guess if I'm honest, my heart isn't really in it. It is, but it's not. It's just not like, I don't know, all these health problems I've had has just really taken the edge off of my drive, I guess, when it comes to going out in the garage and working on a very complicated build. And it is, there's no two ways about it. It's a complicated bike to work on and to build, and I can do it. I know I can do it. In my mind's eye I've got it completed, but my energy has just been appalling, guys, and I'm sorry to all those that feel kind of let down and disappointed by me kind of getting rid of it, but it's for the best, guys. I'm going to put the money out of that onto the other things that I've been buying, and I've been buying a lot of things. So yeah, new cameras, drones and bikes and flipping bits and pieces. It all adds up. It's all money, and I'm not a bottomless pit, far from it. Yeah, the money from the BMW sales of the BMW stuff will just go basically on my bills. So that is that. I'm sad about it. I'm not particularly happy about it. It's a little bit like kind of admitting defeat that I can't do stuff like that. I'll be honest with you guys, at the beginning of the new year, Christmas New Year kind of period, when I was off work for 3 weeks sick, I hit one of the probably lowest lows I've hit in a very long time, physically, mentally, health-wise. I was just not in a very good place, and I just started making a lot of decisions. One of the decisions I made was to stop doing the BMW Scrambler, sell it all off and be done with it. That was one decision I made. Another decision I made was to step down and not do as much on YouTube, and not to kind of, you know, do all the crazy things Grizz does. Now, I think I kind of, it's difficult for me to explain it to you guys. I've just struggled on every level, you know, just really no energy and just really feeling like I've gone right back to when I used to be very sick, although I've not felt that bad. It's complicated, guys. I'm sorry, it's not kind of clear for me to describe to you how I've been feeling physically and mentally and emotionally, and it's been tough, let's just say that, and it's really made me question a lot of things. It made me think about the future for Taffy and myself, and I'm really kind of start thinking about what I am doing. You know, I'm just spending, you know, thousands of pounds every year basically on trying to bring some cool vids for which I see nothing back. And it's not about getting stuff back, but you know, Grizz is never going to be a millionaire. Grizz isn't like, he could do some things, you know. I used to be able to do a lot of things, you know, that would earn a good wage, but with what of being sick, it really just kind of made me say, okay, I can't do those things. I need to step things down, and I need to be more sensible. And I've not really done it. I've kind of gone back into like a sensible driving job, and all I've done is just push it and push it and push it, and worked my way up through the business and pushed myself physically, and you know, it's been hard and it's tired me out. And all I should have been doing all this time is just saying, like, chill, Grizz, just like do a nice steady job and, you know, get enough money to pay your bills and be happy with it, you know. And I have been happy with it, but I've always been a very driven person, not necessarily even monetary wise, but I have always been very driven, you know, and very, you know, go get things and go do things, and it's never really been monetary focused. The Insta360 is still there, and I guess I've always taken on a lot more than I should, and it's just what has happened over this last, I guess, a year with the decline of my health. Instead of me actually saying, right, Grizz, you know, time to pace yourself a bit more and take it easy and don't go crazy, you know, I don't. I just bloody push on, and I just go, it's going to be fine, keep going. I'm very, very determined. And I guess coming back to the BMW Scrambler, it upsets me that I'm saying, okay, can't do that, I can't do it anymore, because I don't like giving up. But I'm not giving up, is in my books, I guess, really, because I'm just going to redirect my energies into other things, and my money into other things. So it's not really kind of giving up. It's just a case of taking out of one area and putting it into another. I want to do more videos. I want to get out and ride more. I don't want to be stuck in a garage. I have got some garage stuff to do. I will always have garage stuff to do because my bikes are always going to need maintaining. I'm horrible when it comes to my bike and having it look A1 and having it all smart and neat and tidy, and so I'm always going to be messing around with the bikes in the garage. But from a standpoint of doing a BMW Scrambler build, no, it's not happening. Grizz just needs to be honest with himself and just take it a little bit easier and just start focusing on the important things. Anyway, I am talking rubbish. This weather's looking promising. Liking the look of this. I think we're on for an early spring, and yeah, I can't wait for some less kind of windier, a bit more warmer kind of rides, and we can start having a bit of fun. Oh, I've bought some tyres for the Ducati as well, and a clutch slave cylinder as well. I'll get the Ducati sorted shortly, so we'll get that on the road along with the Hayabusa. Now, vlogs, from a standpoint of me getting vlogs out, it's been very intermittent as late, guys, and I'm sorry. It will improve. I will start getting more vlogs out again. I've just needed to take a little bit more time for myself to rest and just kind of not keep pushing myself, because I'm just completely exhausting myself, and it's just not, it's not on a level like some of you would know. It's just like not having the strength to stand, and it's just not funny. So as much as it kills me actually kind of going out, doing a vlog and then just sitting on it, not editing it and getting it out, is as much as I just need to come home from work some nights and just chill. And I know a lot of you will completely support me and understand the situation, as a lot of you have been. I really appreciate your support and your love. Really do appreciate it, guys. Grizz is trying. He's trying hard to get healthy. Trying hard to get answers to questions that just keep arising health-wise. So yeah, fingers crossed I can get it sorted and get myself sorted, and we can start getting on and start enjoying this summer, you know. Always still a bit, don't know whether to lean it or not. Taffy's bike, man, so good. Oh, come on. Oh, stutter. Taffy's bike is on fire. Yeah, I think I need to give Taffy's bike a bit of a service. I think, yeah, it's in need of a service. Along with the Hayabusa, that's going to get a service as well. Everyone's getting a damn good servicing. Hey! EasyJet. That's what this thing is. It's like a little EasyJet. What a light year. Cannot beat. The bloody rev line on this thing, the red line is just, oh, sounds so sublime. Taffy, I love your ZX6R. Now I know why I took it out today. It's nothing to do with being lighter than the Hayabusa, it's just bloody epic to ride. I would love one, but I'll just use Taffy's occasionally, and I'll be nice to it, honest Taff. Oh, what a buzz, what a bloody buzz. I'll tell you what, guys, I mean, you know, all these health problems and stuff, you know, I always feel good when I ride. That is honest to God, I just always feel bloody brilliant when I ride. It's just, feel really on top of stuff. So I just need to ride and ride and ride, and not work and pay the bills. That's just so pants. It's so boring. We just need this little bit of greasiness to go now off the roads. We can start having some fun. But this is a very dangerous time of the year to ride, guys. Please be careful. And please do not use your fucking windshield wiper. Whatever, my fucking visor. Washer, sorry. Yeah, it's super dangerous time of the year. A lot of bikes are going to start coming out now because it's sunny. The roads look good. They're not really that good. They are still slippery. It's very dangerous time of the year. So just take care, guys. Go out, have a bit of fun, make it some safe fun. If you want to open it up, wait for a nice straight. But you know, just be careful trying to lean it over, and you know, trying to prove that you're a cool dude and you don't have chicken strips. This is not the time for it. Okay. okay? Not the time for it. Just take it steady, guys. Okay, that's enough of the public health and safety flipping announcement. Right, so I think that's probably way long a vlog. The top of it is the BMW Scrambler build is going, along with all of my bloody stuff. I think I'm also going to get rid of all my tools. I'm going to get rid of my welder, my air compressor, and things like that. It just feels stupid. I'm just not really physically able to get in there and do stuff like I used to, and I just want to focus on riding, just getting out and riding, and forget sitting in the garage trying to build something sensational. I love it. I do love creating, but I'm going to try and put that creative energy, that creative need into creating cool YouTube videos for you guys to enjoy. And yeah, that's it basically. Right, much love to you all. Thank you for everyone for watching. Shortly we will be doing some stuff, I no doubt, on the Hayabusa. I will be going in the garage to do a bit of that, but that's different. I'm actually excited for that. I'm like, yeah. And now just the BMW Scrambler has just been going on so bloody long. It's just hanging over me like a dark cloud, and I need to be gone of it. It needs to be gone, and I need to start afresh and move on. Anyway, that is enough. I've talked enough. I've bored you all. Thank you for listening. Much love to you all, and we'll see you soon. Cheers, everyone. Bye now. Love you. Bye.